Welcome aboard. Let's get building with BuilderBuilder Pro. From the dashboard, select your project. Here, I'll open Luma Heights. In the Project menu, tap Scope of Work to review the current phases and line items. Here you can see every phase and its line items with details, descriptions, quantities, and costs. Notice each phase currently shows Not Approved. To request approvals, tap Send Approval. This notifies all project members who have permission to approve. Status is changed to Pending while approvers review. Now let's check the notification on the dashboard. The bell shows we've got a request. The notification shows who sent the request. Here, Hamza. I'll decline first to demonstrate the flow. When you decline, provide a reason so the requester knows why. Back in the scope of work, the phases show declined. Tap any phase to read the decline reason left by the approver. After addressing the feedback, resend the approval request. When the notification reappears, select Approve. With approvals in place, all phases now display approved. They're ready for work orders and change order submissions. That's it. Approval is that simple in BuilderBuilder Pro.